We got the keys. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and today we're gonna go look at the property I decided on. It is official. I cashed out on Wednesday, signed the paperwork, and then I got the final paperwork Thursday, and today's Saturday. So let's go take a look at the property, see which one I picked. It's been a 3 to 5 year search, and we finally got a permanent home. Let's get it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco, and it's official. We now own this property. 2.5 acres, pretty much in the middle of the country, but still in the city limits. And this is the garage that needs Jesus. So now I'm actually getting a good look at it. I got a lot of cleanup to do. So I think the plan for this garage, it really needs a roof. This is not the shop. This is more just like a storage, dry area for my cars to get them out of storage. But she needs work. So I gotta sweep up all this stuff. I might need like a small dumpster. Might put new windows in here. I don't know what that is. Like a little shelf. There's a heater, but we don't have any power. So I can get heat in here once I have power. Check that out. I got a workbench that'll probably have to come out. But looking at, I thought this was like a 2-car garage. It's really like a 3-car. Because you got those 2 doors. And that's almost like a whole 3rd door. That's at least 10, 12 feet. So, I mean, the biggest issues right now is the floor. It's all broken up. She's a fixer-upper. But I don't think the structure is actually bad. The boards, some of the boards can be replaced, but it doesn't look like it's gonna collapse. But the roof is the issue. So basically all the shingles got blown off during storms of no one being here. So that's all plywood and mold, looks like. Yeah, so she definitely needs a new roof. I could do it myself, but I'm gonna get quotes. Because I'd rather someone who does it for a living knock it out quick. So like both sides over here. I don't know why there's like perfect cuts up there. That's like a perfect square. That was a square. I'm guessing some type of pipe or something was going to be put up there. All this stuff got to be pulled down. All this insulation. I don't really see any signs of termites. Yep. So this is just basically storage. Get my cars out of storage. Save me $400 a month. And just throw them in here once I get this thing cleaned up. And as I'm telling you, it's cold today, so it won't be today. But we own it, free and clear, 100%, no loan, paid cash. All that open area, all behind this house next door, I own it. So just picture like a big L shape, all the way this way, all the way around, all of that. All the way to the tree line, this way, and the other side. And these boards need to be replaced too. Like this one's rotten. But new windows, gutters there. The doors may be able to be saved. We gotta reconnect the power. That's the old power line. I got a water meter still there. All I really care about is water and power initially. I don't think I really need gas, unless for maybe heat. Yeah, that might be a gas line. Anyway, this is what we starting with. I wanted you guys to show you the beginning so you can appreciate what is going to end up. From nothing to something, from coal to diamonds. And the whole thing is property, man. This is a beginning of a 3 to 5 year journey. Crawling before I walk. This is step 1. Step 2, get some cars over here. Find a builder. I have options right now. I'm thinking about maybe putting a shop in this area, by this little brush area, or in the other field. I really wanted to have it in this lot here and not the other lot. Maybe put a house or something on that lot and run it out. But this isn't the only, but this is only like day 3 of me actually owning this property. I just closed really yesterday, so maybe like, it's like second day. But I wanted to check out the lots. Check out the roof, the floor. Try and figure out everything I need to come and bring back. So, 2 door locks. I gotta see what's going on with this garage door. It looked like it will work. I'm missing a roller there. All right, I just came back from the garage, and let's get it straight with the garage. So I actually thought the garage was like a 2-car garage, but it actually is probably big enough for 3 cars. The only thing I really want it for right now is storage for 3 of my cars. If I can fit 2, good. If I can fit 3, even better. The roof definitely has to get repaired. I didn't really get a good look at it because I wasn't buying the property for the garage. Like the garage, I was ready to tear down, but looking at it again, the structure seems good. The roof is gone. Some of the side trim needs to be replaced. The floor definitely needs work, but I'm not gonna put too much money in the floor. I'm gonna put money in the roof, the shingles, maybe windows, I don't know. The garage door needs, make sure I can open and close it. And lock it, really. Some door locks, new plywood for the roof, new shingles, maybe some blinds or something for the windows. Paint. If I do the roof, I'll paint the outside. I'll probably do that myself. And the roof, I could do myself, but it's probably cheaper and faster to, well, not cheaper. It's faster and less hassle on me to pay somebody if it's a good price. And they'll be quick. They normally have a crew. But anyway, so I gotta look into getting power. I gotta go clean up the inside of it. The insulation, all the loose crap in there needs to come out. I need to get, like I said, quotes on the roof. Make sure the garage door is open. Get power. Power is going to be a big thing. I don't know if I should get power to that garage or wait until I build a shop to get the main power put in there. I need like a dumpster to dump all this stuff off. But yeah, it needs a lot of work. I didn't buy a property for that garage. I bought it for the land. The land's clear, not too many trees, 2.5 acres. But anyway, it's your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.